Want to build fine motor skills and imagination in one go? Let's feed the monster one snack at a time. Make in-hand practice fun with the simple DIY game, great for strengthening fingers and sparking imagination. You will need 4 or 5 small items like pom-poms, beads or buttons and a cardboard box with a cutout mouth to make your monster. Ask your child to hold all the pieces in one hand. Then, using just that hand, they push one item at a time to the fingertips and feed it into the monster's mouth. No help from the other hand. To make it easier, start with bigger objects and a wide opening. Let them rest their hand on the table for better control. Ready for a challenge? Try using smaller pieces, a smaller mouth or a timed feeding race. How many they can feed in 30 seconds. If your child avoids certain textures, use soft pieces like foam or felt. You can even personalize your monster and use finger gloves if needed. This playful task strengthens object control, sequencing, and one-hand release. Great practice for holding small items, coins, or tools. Turn play into progress, one monster snack at a time.